Welcome, my friends, to Heritage Ways. I'm Miss Katie. This is Project 54, Episode 9. I'm so thrilled with so many people who have joined us for this project. We're cooking all summer long. This week is classic desserts. We are making pecan pie today. It is a classic in the South. That's where I come from, born and bred. Let's start making homemade, classic Southern pecan pie. Buffet table or a dinner on the ground at a church in the South especially, they are typically and most notably grown in the southern United States. There are pecan groves and pecan farms down there, and just it's actually my favorite nut. Out of all the nuts there are to choose from, pecans are my favorite. Now you can use chopped pecans, which is what I'm going to use today, but in magazines and on TV and even some Southern cooks use pecan halves, or at least they will decorate the top of the pie with the pecan halves laying on top of the pie. Well, I'm not going to do that either. That is very beautiful. Kind of like I talked about the other day about strawberry pie. I just don't want a big piece of something. I don't want a big piece or a whole strawberry in my strawberry pie, and I don't want a whole pecan. So we are going to use chopped pecans in our pie today. Okay, let's start with 3 beaten eggs. These are large farm fresh eggs. You can see those beautiful yolks, dark colored. Those chickens that serve me well from my Amish neighbor. Wow, they are pastured. They get plenty of good sunshine and green grass and bugs. All right, a half a stick, which is 1/4 a cup of melted butter. Or it can just be very, very soft, but I'm going to call it melted for you. Okay.
It's time to hone our hospitality skills. A good idea to prepare for guests is to set the table the day or night before they arrive.
3/4 cup of sugar. I just use organic, pure cane sugar. And I'm just going to whisk this. Let's go ahead and add my 3 eggs. One cup of light or dark corn syrup. I sprayed the measuring cup first with some cooking spray, actually some coconut cooking spray, coconut oil. And it's easier to come out of my measuring glass. We'll get this all stirred up together in a minute. Let's put in 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Salt's gonna really complement those pecans. Now, a teaspoon of vanilla. Now, let's talk about that just a minute. I make my own vanilla, and this particular vanilla is made out of Buffalo Trace Kentucky straight bourbon whiskey. I got this on a trip to Kentucky, kind of the Lexington, Kentucky area once upon a time. Love that area, by the way. And I made vanilla out of this, and I wrote on here it's a deep flavored vanilla. And I think it would be great with in my pecan pie. So we're gonna do a teaspoon of this. I don't measure it, but you can if you want to. Ooh, I smell that vanilla. Oh, it is so pungent. It's gonna add another depth of flavor to our pie. Your pie is going to be a darker color if you use dark corn syrup. 1½ cups of chopped pecans is what I'm using today. I'm just going to fold those in here with my spatula, and I'm going to grab straight from my freezer, I'm going to grab my unbaked pie shell. This is a purchased pie shell. It is unbaked. It is not pricked or anything like that. It is unbaked straight from the freezer. Hope you'll try it. That vanilla made a difference too. See y'all next time.